So it's 10:57 and I am back here at Fernandez Glass, and hopefully I believe this is the right glass window. It came in this big box right here, and it's wrapped up really good. So this is Fernandez Glass. I remember I had came here when they bust the window out of my mother's car, and it was just $100. It didn't take them any time. So the guy, he recognized me when I came in. He just came to the door to open it up to look at the mirror to make sure it was the right one, and he said, okay, it's the right one. So it's 11:33 and it's done.